That's the squirrel climbing up this tree, looking at me. Yes? So cute. Sheltering from the rain. Look at that. Doesn't mind the rain, Enjoying the rain and the green, whatever it's getting out there. Too fast for me. Again. It's taken its bite or bit and it's come up on the tree. That's where it sits. Eating. In his little nook. Sheltering from the raindrops, right? Again. Finished. Wants to come down. Here we go down. Do come down. There we go. Again, he's looking for that gourmet dish of his, plant of his, right? Doesn't mind the rain, eh? It's really raining now. That time it was drizzling. Now it's raining. Which is the herb it's looking for? So cute. So picky, eh? What a picky eater. Too fast for me, right? Ready to climb the tree or not? A little wind. Romping in the rain and you're making me wet too. Because I can't get enough of you. You're so cute. Enjoying the rainfall. Wise as an owl there. What did you see? Somebody there, eh? Someone there. And it's gone up the tree. No, up the fence. Into the thicket. Bye.